Alexo Crypto, what's going on? Alexo Crypto here, just coming at you guys. You know, it's the end of the year, and why not? Why not come at you guys with another video just to express my gratitude towards you guys, to remind yourselves that guess what? You know what? It's the end of the year. It's time to do some reflection, maybe touching some grass, taking a step back, preparing ourselves for what has been a tremendous year after getting out of all that C19 stuff and working together to ride this beautiful wave to the upside. We've done it together, and I just wanted to shout you guys out. You know, this channel's been just over a year now, and we've grown immensely, and we have such a great community here. So it's important for me to remain grateful and to remind you guys that this is a time to do some reflection. This is a time to manifest some of those goals for the upcoming new year, to be grateful, and to, go touch some grass and hug some family members. We can look at Bitcoin here, and we've had this massive push up here, and we have an ETF right around the corner. Now, this is going to be something to look back on. Now, how am I preparing for this? I do have some sell orders on some of my smaller tokens that I am looking to taking profits for a big wick to the upside and a dump down. So I'm anticipating a move up and then a move down. However, anything can really happen here. This is just a strategy that I'm looking at employing right now. But as you can see, we have continuously moonshotted up here ever since we broke this massive level of resistance around 32 to 31,000. Okay, so for me right now, I'm being patient. I'm scalping a range. We all love a good range. However, we have an amazing year ahead of us. Okay, we have rate cuts, which could drop the markets. However, rate cuts, people are borrowing more money. All good, right? We have the U.S. election, okay? Massive. We have the halving. Massive. Okay, so this year, let's manifest some beautiful things and let's prepare. So how do we prepare? Well, right now I'm preparing with a little bit of Ethereum ideas. We got a little bit of a trade set up. Join us in the free Discord. We'd love to have you there. Everything's free here. Just trying to help everybody grow here. We're traders helping traders. And the whole point of this is to combine the knowledge together, the ideas, the thoughts, and to execute and to make that profits. Okay, so this is a year of execution of beautiful trade ideas, beautiful profits, and hopefully a massive bull run for all of us to enjoy. Okay, so how do we take advantage? Well, we look at things such as Ethereum. Ethereum has a very bullish looking January and February ahead of itself. Okay, it's been lagging a little bit behind Bitcoin and the Solanas and all the other ones like Caspa and Bonk and all these things. Okay, so Ethereum to me is going to be the outlier because we do have an Ethereum ETF that's expected later on in the year as well. Okay, so don't think Ethereum's just going to give it up that easy, that big crown it wears. Okay, so we're watching Ethereum. We would like to see a breakout, maybe getting up to around $2,600. We're waiting patiently for that breakout. However, right now we're just trying to get ourselves in a better position for a possible Ethereum trade that we're looking for here, somewhere along this trend line or a swing failure pattern down to about 22, 22.5, 22.50 here. So we're looking for that. We're being patient, okay? Make sure to be patient. It is the weekend and volume has slowed down a little bit, okay? With Bitcoin, right now we're in this little bit of a triangle on the short-term time frame. This is a 30-minute time frame. I'm watching this to see if we get a potential breakout here, if we can curl up here and then possibly break out. However, we do have a nice little pattern here on the 4-hour where we're holding it quite nicely with these higher highs and these beautiful higher lows, okay? So we're definitely watching this big trend line here, this one along here that we did dip out quite briefly, but we're back with inside of it now. So overall, this is looking bullish to me. Just need to be patient. The big one here is this. That's horribly drawn, sorry, is this triangle here that we are curling in right now and looking to break out. So I'm watching that as well. However, a nice little liquidity grab down below here, grabbing that CME gap that we have below us is not out of the question. We do have this trend line here that is holding us down. So if we do lose this area here, we can look to go further. before continuing upwards. I also see some sort of ABC kind of pattern here where you got an A, a B, and a possible C down here. So we could see something like that. So we're aware of whatever. We're looking to put ourselves in a good position for this ETF because we are expecting that push up and then continuing upwards and onwards. So we do have some key levels here. The main ones being these extension levels here that we have at 45,400. Let's say 45,500 just for good sakes. And this one up here around 48,000. Okay, so those are our main targets. And of course, you got to be aware of that psychological number above us too whenever we get this news, because I do believe it will be something like a buy the rumor, sell the news event. So we'll be patiently waiting for any of these levels to be hit. But for now, we try to set ourselves up in a good position, trying to grab those longs. We know funding rate is very high right now. So, be patient, look for those good setups, those swing failure patterns where we can grab a long and possibly ride this upwards, okay? With anything else, we're looking at Solana as well. It has cooled off, but we are looking for a nice bounce here with this psychological 100 level. AVAX is following Solana quite nicely too. We have nice support here around $40, so we're watching that as well. Guys, big shout out to the meme coins. Cock Inu has been pushing massively, okay? These things are driving narrative, okay? We got SNEC pushing up. We got Doge holding its ground. We got Bonk leading the way, okay? So make sure you keep your eyes peeled on some of these meme coins where we're looking for those continuations to the upside. We've had massive moves from such things as Injective as well, IMX, Injective, ICP has gotten a nice move. So keep your eyes peeled. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage. Practice good risk management, guys. And we'll see you guys in the new year. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Go out there, manifest, reflect, get ready for an amazing 2024. I will see you guys live Monday to Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Much love to every single one of you. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Peace out.